Let's see what the gold has done yesterday, what we can expect today. Yesterday, the price has formed this small bearish candle with a wick larger on the upper side and the lower on the lower side. And we can see that the price yesterday could not manage to make a bullish breakout above 3125.55 resistance level. This seems that it is a daily resistance for now for the price, where the price currently it is trying to make a bullish breakout for today. What we can say about the yesterday candle is that there is much more bullish pressure than it is a selling, because the wick on the upper side is larger than it is on the lower side. So we can see that there is no selling pressure that's strong that could push the price further down. We can see the price stop it right here. Let's go to the lower time frame to see how the price has behaved. Yesterday we can see that the price has reached the 4-hour time frame 313.18 as support level. We can see that a strong bearish candle that has tried to push the price even further down, but the price could not close on the 4-hour time frame below this area of support. The next 4-hour we can see it was a decision candle between the buyers and the sellers, and after that we can see currently the price has formed a strong bullish candle. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see how the price has behaved yesterday. Yesterday the price, we can see, tried to move higher. The price formed this bullish breakout above 3125.55. We can see that the price continued to rise in value and it reached very close to this area 3151.02. So I will move slightly down this one. So we have the new resistance level because I'm adapting to the market conditions. The first one, the resistance level I have marked on the chart, it was not a good one. We can see the price has reached this area around 3146.37 and it has formed a strong bearish candle. With this bearish candle, the price continued to lose its value, reaching the daily support level 3125.55 and could not make a bearish breakout. We can see that for several hours, and also the price could not return back above, which means there is a selling pressure here that is pushing the price down. But also the buying strength is here holding the price from falling further down, and we can see eventually the price, after several attempts to push the price above this area of resistance, the price could not manage to close the the 1-hour time frame candle above this area of resistance, which would make a bullish breakout. Just like in this example where the price formed a bullish candle above the resistance, in the past the price has tried to move up for the first time, second time, the third time, and the fourth time the price managed to make a bullish breakout. This one here, the price formed a bearish breakout going all the way to the first support level below this 3125.55, and from here the price formed again a bearish candle. It is also a bearish breakout where we can see the price was trying to move further down, but it has come very close to this area of support and it has returned back up, which means this one was a failed bearish breakout where the price continued to rise in value. Price tried to move further up, but could not manage to do that, and we can see the price formed a bearish candle here, which is a bearish breakout, a small one, but it was invalidated with the next candle, this bullish breakout. With this bullish breakout, the price continued to rise in value. We can see in the last several hours the price was rising, and it has made a bullish breakout about 3125.55, and it is currently above the daily resistance. Currently, it is now acting as a support. The price again in the last 2 hours could not manage to make a bullish breakout like in this example right here. So what we can expect for today? Well, if we take a look to the daily time frame, we can see the price is still around this area of resistance, which means the daily is still holding, and we can see that very important support level for the price on the daily time frame will be around this area here, around 3100, where the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout yesterday, and also currently where the price is forming a support right here at 3106. 4-hour time frame shows us that very important support level will be 3113.18. If the price makes a bearish breakout, and that means the candle on the 4-hour time frame closes below, this will open space for the price to go all the way to here around 3094, and also this one here, which will be 3097. So this is the area as a support for the price if the price managed to make a bearish breakout. But what we can see is the 4-hour time frame, it is a bullish breakout. This bullish breakout indicates further rise in value. Will the price manage to go further up? Well, it depends. It is also very important for the price in the next 4 hours. This means this candle should not close below this area of support, 3125.55, because if it goes down, it will be invalidation of this bullish breakout, which will indicate further decline in value. Well, will that happen? We'll see in the next 4 hours. What we can say, if the price stays above this area of support, it will be a confirmation of this bullish breakout, which means this is currently acting as a support where the price will try to reach higher price levels. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, we will see that currently the price has formed a bullish breakout. Just a minute. Bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which is a daily resistance, 3125.55, and it has confirmed this bullish breakout, which means indication of the further rise in value, not going further down. But what is very important is this one, resistance level could not be broken in the last several hours, we can see that here, but also could not be broken here in the last 2 hours, which means this is the resistance level as a key level currently for the 1 hour time frame in order to continue to rise in value. So if we see the price making a bullish breakout about 3135.61, this will allow for the price to move to the higher price levels. Also confirmation of the 4 hour time frame bullish sentiment, and also the daily where the price will close the day above this area of resistance, which will be also a bullish breakout indication for the further rise in value. So we can see that it's very important to see how the price will behave around this area 3135.61 resistance level on the 1 hour time frame. And if the price managed to make a bearish breakout below this area of support 3125.55 in the next several hours, this could be also a bearish invalidation. This one, invalidation of this bullish breakout, where the price will continue to lose its value going all the way to the first support level, and that will be 3113.18, which is also 4 hour time frame a support level. So it's very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support and around this area of resistance. This is the supply zone and this is the demand zone. So see how the price will behave. But for now, as it looks right now, it looks much more bullish than it is bearish, because we had here a small bearish trend, which is currently cancelled with this bullish breakout here, and it is currently moving sideways. So will the price manage to stay above? It will be mandatory to see how the price will behave. But currently what I can see usually when this happens, if we make here a small trend line to see how the price will behave, we can see that the price has currently formed a bullish breakout above this area confluence, which means this small downtrend has been broken, and this is indication of the further rise in value. This is normally usually when I see this one, this is usually the bullish breakout where the price tends to return back down just to test previous resistance. Now it will act as a support, which means there is a high probability that the price returns back down to the support level, makes small wick going very close to this area of a trend line where it is acting as a support, and then bounce back up. This is sometimes, most of the time, when I can see this candlestick formation on the chart and chart formation, this is usually how the price behaves. But everything will be confirmed if the price managed to make a bullish breakout above the resistance level 3135.61. So for now, I'm waiting outside of the market, but I am more bullish inclined to see the price going further up. But until I see the price making a bullish breakout here, I'm staying away to see where the price will go. And also, if the price managed to make a bearish breakout going further down, it will be very important to see how the price will behave around this area confluence of support. If it breaks down, this will be confirmation of the further decline in value where the price will target 3097.43. Now, this is the idea for today, to see how the price will behave. Let's see how the price managed to do around this area where the price currently is in the small indecision range, to see will the price go up or down. If you have an idea where the price could go, I'm more bullish oriented, but let's see what you think about the further direction. Feel free to leave a comment. Let's discuss. That's all for today. If you would like to receive also a bullish breakouts or bearish breakouts, you can also join the premium analysis, where I share the information with the traders when the breakout happens and also what is the target. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.